Today I'm gonna be playing obby but you're a bird. So I've actually went to 100 meters before, but I kind of wanted to make a video, so I'm gonna do all, 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 um, not all because they just recently updated on a new 200 meters. I'm gonna go do 10 spawn points, and that's where I will end the video. Okay, over there. Um, let's see here. Ooh, first checkpoint. That means I gotta be at one. Wait, but let me check something. Oh yeah, you can only go down max of some period. So I was just checking the other spawn points. If you go past. Oh shoot. But why don't we just do that instead? Over here and then over here. Here and then over here. I think you gotta go up there. I think they changed it a little bit too. Like, I don't remember going through this. Okay, let's see here. Oh, oh, one, once, like, when I was playing this, I raged a few times on this, because this level is one of the most annoying levels. See, like that, like, you just make a little mistake and then you have to start over. No, no, no. Wait, I can't get up. Oh, yes. No, no, no. No. uh, uh, wait, what? Oh, sorry. I died at the like 11. I died and then I went to 11th checkpoint because like I've done this before, so that's why. So sorry about that. I jumped. What? Okay, and okay, that one I jumped too early. And going up here, going up here. What? I jumped. This is why I was raging. This was gonna be a lot harder than I thought. Actually, I'm gonna make parts. I did that one. This is why. This one's the most ragiest one. Just go up here. Okay. Finally, over here. Okay. I'm literally sweating right now. My hands are so sweaty. Okay. Up here. Up here. Okay. No, no. That's it. Nope. Nope, that's it. I'm sitting at 3. Nope, not doing 20. I know that's considered cheating, but still. I am not gonna do that all over again. I am Birdie. So let's see here. Wait, just give me a second, wait, guys. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Oh, no, no, no. 360, no, go. There you go. I'm going back to number 3. 3. Let's see here. And you know, I just need to jump there. Here, here. Or my Sharky bracelet. I can go. But an overrater disappears. Over here, over here, over here. I was about to jump onto that spike. Okay, wait, where am I? Okay, that was scary.
Oh, my place war. I know. I can make it.
Wait, I think I have to go over here. And wait, why is there a ladder here? Oh, and you jump over there. Jump over there. Where's the checkpoint? It's 40 meters. Whatever. Oh, there it is. And then we go into that, I think. And then over here. Over here. Wait, I think you gotta climb this somehow. Okay, there we go. Hey, that pipe kind of looks like Mario pipes. Like those pipes. Where do I go? Where do I go from here? Where do I go? Where do I go? I could reach that, I think. But then there's no way to reach that. Wait, the 40-meter checkpoint's just right out there, so I could be a little bit reckless and try a few things. Yeah, that doesn't work. There I go. Now back at the 40-meter checkpoint. When I get to the fifth one, I'll think I'll end this video because it's already been 13 minutes actually.
Where is my brace? Oh, you want to make a racetrack? Is these bigger than it? Yeah.
Wait, how do you...
But I don't have one.
Okay, so I guess you go over there. Now what? Oh yeah, maybe you go over there. Okay. Okay, over here and then over here. And then I think you make your way over there like that. Well, that makes sense.
But they're so boring at
Going this way.
They're so boring.
Oh, what was that?
So boring. I want to fly. I want to fly. I want to fly. I want to fly.
Wait, I think you do that. Then you go here, and you go here.
I want to fly. I want to fly.
And I think you go over here.
How do we define what I can do?
Where did I just... Oh.
Oh,
and then that's it.
This is a real track. I can push the track
And yes. Well, that's the 5th checkpoint. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed and subscribe. Bye.